Hello, welcome to Rachel's Wake and Bake. Today I'll be making a tangy barbecue sauce. So we're going to begin in a saucepan. We're going to add 1 cup of ketchup, 1 1/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of strong coffee, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup of finely chopped onions, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar for this one. You can use just plain vinegar. 1 tablespoon also of dried mustard. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And this is optional. You can add a little bit of cayenne pepper just to make it a little bit spicier. And then just going to sprinkle some salt and some pepper. We're just going to turn the heat on to medium heat, and we will cook for approximately 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, once your sauce has simmered for approximately 10 minutes, we're going to remove from the heat and we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to cool. And then we will place it in a sealed jar and refrigerate until needed. Okay, my sauce has cooled. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. I'll be putting it on chicken tonight. This goes well with meatballs, pork chops, steaks, ribs. Goes well with everything. Drop a comment if you're gonna be trying it. Thanks for watching.